In today's video, let's talk about how to upload data inside of Google AI Studio. Sometimes when you just don't want to type in a question and you want the AI to work with your own data, you can simply insert any sort of file that you have and ask it for different tasks. But before you start off, make sure you select the appropriate model. For data and reasonings, make sure you select the 2.5 Pro, and then you can add in the data that you're trying to upload. Just click on the plus icon on the right hand side and then click on upload file. Select the file that you want to upload. And there you go, the file now has been uploaded and it will automatically extract the data that is inside of this particular file. Whatever the type of file that may be, it will extract all of the data. In this case, it is a CSV type file. Now, along with the data that you uploaded, you can add in a prompt describing what you want the AI to do with it. In this case, I've uploaded a sales data file, which is a CSV type file, and I've asked it to analyze it, then identify the top 3 months in sales and suggest the possible reasons for the increase. When you hit run, the AI will process the data and will give you a detailed response. You can also ask additional insights such as creating charts or visuals to better visualize and understand data. Once everything looks good, you can click on the Get Code option on the top right if you want to reuse the upload and analysis process in your own projects. So this is just an example of how you can upload the data inside of Google AI Studios. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and also make sure to hit that notification bell if you guys are interested in more future videos.